before we get into these snacks, make sure you don't forget to comment down below and like our video.
Alright, so the first one we're going to be doing is these. They're called chocolate yogurt covered raisins, and then we got vanilla
Chocolate covered raisins.
Yeah, I said that. And then vanilla yogurt covered raisins. So we had these before. They're pretty good. I don't like regular raisins.
We have these before? Yeah, but the chocolate ones look like regular raisins.
Okay, so these are how it looks. Yep. All right, let's open these. Before I open the boxes, you open that. What do you open this? Oh, there's a side. Open it on the side.
Give me a second. No, I can open it.
Yeah. Ugh, smells like raisins.
Because they are raisins, that's why.
All right. Thank you. All right, so we're going to be trying, just hope that for later, we're going to be trying these first. Taji. Yeah. These boxes are crammed up in here. All right, so these are the boxes. They're cute. They look like
These are what they look like.
You can't see them. All right, okay. It's just raisins covered with chocolate.
Yep.
So it looks like chocolate balls. Oops. Oopsie, oopsie.
Go.
They're good? Okay, I like them.
These are
You don't like them? I like them because you don't taste raisins. You don't taste no raisins. You just taste chocolate.
I taste the raisins.
I'll give them a thumbs up.
And I had one. Yeah.
You don't like them? Thumbs down? Okay, I'll give them a thumbs up because I can't taste my raisins.
I done something. Yeah.
Why do you give them a thumbs up?
Good.
They're good? So do you like them? All right, so we got a winner. The only person who didn't like it was Taji. All right, so next box are these white yogurt raisins. One for you. Wait, one for you.
These are the ones I like.
One for you. These over here. All right.
I'm gonna put some of my local ones on my
They still smell like raisins. These not so much. Oh man, I'm feeling because these you could actually see the raisins, so not as a darker coat as the chocolate. Can I taste them? It tastes good.
These ones taste better.
I'll give them a thumbs up.
That's right.
I'll give them a thumbs in the middle because first you just taste yogurt and then after you have an aftertaste and it tastes like raisins. But it's not a strong taste of raisins. So I'll give them a middle.
Guys, guess what? I'm gonna taste these together now.
Taste them together. Get one white one and get one chocolate one. Nice. Yeah, so I just got one in the middle.
Well, you have these before.
I know. I like them. It's good, but it just tastes nasty. Tastes like good.
I prefer these ones better.
Well,
Bubblegum is thumb up.
alright, so between the white and the chocolate, I'll say the chocolate wins.
Vanilla and chocolate wins.
So you go for... Okay. And Taji.
Vanilla.
Vanilla? Why?
Because they're better than chocolate.
Alright, so see. Likes both, huh? Alright, next one. We're going to be doing these ones. So I'm really excited because I've never tasted these. I only tasted the regular ones. So this one is hot cocoa kisses. So they're called hot cocoa because it's like a regular kiss, but in the middle has like milk chocolate or something. I don't know what's inside there. It says milk chocolate with marshmallow flavored cream.
Okay.
So that's in the middle of the chocolate one.
That's what. Look what I did.
And white ones, ooh, these are pretty. So they're supposed to be sugar cookies with sprinkles on them. So we're gonna taste these ones first. Are y'all ready? Mm-hmm. Let's stop eating the raisins, guys. Get them open. All right, one for you, one for you, one for you, and one for me. All right, these are pretty. I like this because it says cocoa, not kisses. I put these over here because I don't want these right now.
Look, guys.
Yeah, you can see it. All right, let me bite.
Hey, SistaSquad, look.
All right, so these look like a regular one, right? I bit all the cream out, but the cream is really good. I said that cream is really good.
I have to get the cream out. Now all of these is good.
Okay, I'll give the one a thumbs up because it tastes like a regular one. Then when you bite it open, it tastes gooey. It tastes nice and gooey. So, Ziggy, do you like these? Susie, do you like them?
I like them.
Yes, she's still eating raisins. Do you like them? All right, now we're doing the sugar cookies. I'm surprised. I'm excited. All right, hey, stop. Here. Ziggy already got one. So these, it's for you with some stars on it. Let me see it.
They look beautiful.
So they're white with some dots all around it. I think these are sprinkles.
2 pinks and 3 greens.
Okay.
And then on the other side, there's a whole bunch of pink and orange.
This surprised me because you bite into it and then it's just hard in the middle. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that, but it's like crunchy. Yeah. Oh no, there's spilled everywhere. I opened it like that.
These are really crunchy.
Yeah, they're really, really crunchy. All right, sit down. So, I'll give them a middle. They're two. Sit down. They're too, like, strong. They're too sweet. That's what I'm trying to say. They're too sweet. So I'll give these a middle. So the chocolate one.
Yeah, the
chocolate once again.
Thumbs up.
Do you like this, Lucy?
Yeah, she stole another one.
I know. Sit down.
Ziggy.
All right. What's the next one, guys? You want to do these next?
The Twinkies.
No, we're doing those last. All right. So we got these and this.
So
All right. So we got some
chocolate
yogurt pretzels. I thought these was chocolate pretzels. They're yogurt pretzels and
some
chocolate pretzels.
And that's the same color as these.
So we're gonna taste these first. Rip it open.
That's weird.
Wait, I'm gonna give you some. All right, here. 2 for you. 2 for you. 2 for you. And 2 for me. They're hard. They're pretzels. All right.
Yeah.
Ceci, they're good? You're not even eating the pretzels. You're eating something else. All right. Okay. So these are how they look. Chocolate pretzels. The pretzels are stale. No, it's just the pretzels are stale. They're not nasty.
Yeah, I can taste the side.
So they're stale, but the chocolate is good.
Yeah, I give them a middle.
Yeah, I'll give them a middle because the pretzels are super stale.
Yeah, I'll give them a thumbs up. Could you taste the side? Thumbs up.
All right, so far you gave everything a thumbs up. Are they good? Yeah.
Thumbs. And almost done.
All right. So I'll give them a middle because the chocolate is very good.
Look, there's nothing else in this box.
All right, are y'all ready? For this one, the yogurt pretzels. I thought it was gonna be white chocolate here. I'm not some white chocolate. It's just yogurt. All right. 2 for you. 2 for. Hey, put
This one like has a little bit of hair.
So
Like my hair.
And 2 for me.
How did it not 3 before that? I don't know.
All right, are y'all ready to taste it? 1, 2, 3.
I already tasted it.
I don't know what these taste like. Alright, I don't know what these taste like. Because they don't taste like yogurt or white chocolate. And the pretzels are stale again. They taste like nothing to me. So I give them a thumbs down. The pretzels are stale, they taste like nothing. So
I give these pretzels a thumbs up.
the chocolate wins again.
Yep. Well, the vanilla ones again. So far,
And comment down below which one you think would taste better.
yeah, which one do you prefer? Vanilla or
Big
chocolate?
words. Sit down. Alright, so now, come here. Come on. We're doing these. I love Kit Kats. I love Kit Kats, so I'm really excited.
And
Yeah. Right. These have
not
packages and these doesn't. Alright. So these are actually white chocolate, not yogurt.
I think I'm feeling fat. So these are what they look like.
They look like Kit Kats. You need me to open it for you?
And these are what they look like inside. They look like
Yeah.
wafers inside.
Yeah.
The cookie wafers.
Yep.
The top
Okay.
of the cookie.
So, snap these. These are good. Comment down below if you open your Kit Kats to eat it. Kit Kats.
Look! Top!
Alright. Z, you like them?
All of these are good.
Of course, all of them are good.
Yeah, because all of them are candy.
Alright. So I like those. I give this a thumbs up. So see, bite yours.
Thumbs up.
Yeah, thumbs up because they're they're regular Kit Kats. So why would they taste nasty?
Why are they doing
Yeah. Okay, so now we're doing these. It's called the white chocolate Kit Kats. The mini unwrapped Kit Kats. Sorry.
Are they really black?
No, they're white. All right, so these don't have no bags. One for you. One for you. God, you got chocolate all over your hands. You and one for me.
Melted chocolate.
Okay. So the white chocolate is really strong. You can't taste no wafers, but they're good. I'll give them a middle.
They're good.
So
In the middle.
no, I'll give them a thumbs up. So the white chocolate won this round. What did you say?
The black chocolate was this round.
All right. Yeah, because I know you want one. Okay. So which one do you like out of all of the snacks? Which one do you think was better?
The raisins.
The raisins?
Because they're healthier.
Okay. Yeah, I like these better. All right. Now, these are doing the Twinkies.
Yeah.
So, chocolate Twinkies and white
vanilla-
Twinkies.
Regular Twinkies.
So, we got them over here. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, Taji, you can get yours first.
I want the white one.
You can get this one first. Yeah.
I want the white ones. Yes, I get a bag. I get a bag.
All right, let's eat it. 3, 2, 1.
I don't even touch the
These are dry.
dry.
They don't even have a lot of cream in it.
These are not dry.
Yeah, these are very dry. I give them.
The whole middle has cream in it.
Yeah, but the outside has more like gray. The cake. So these are dry. I'll give them a thumbs down. They taste like regular Twinkies, and they're dry. I'll give those a thumbs down. I don't know what they was trying to do with chocolate.
Thumbs up.
All right, you ready, Susie?
Thumbs down.
All right. Here's Taji. Here's Susie.
I
Alright.
get that. I get that.
All right, let's go.
Stop teasing me.
They look the same.
I look the same and taste the same.
Now,
They taste the same.
they taste the same, but these are not as dry
But they don't
as the
smell
other
the same.
ones. These are not as, they don't smell the same? These are not as dry as the other ones.
I'm eating this to tomorrow.
All right. So, I'll give the white ones a definite thumbs up and the chocolate thumbs down. Leave it. All right, so, guys, what do you think? Which one is better?
Vanilla.
Yeah. Comment down below which one you would rather.
Vanilla. And chocolate.
So, see, which one do you like? You still eating the raisins. All right.
This one nasty. I'll eat those too.
Yeah, those are dry. Except for the white ones. Are you ready for the last one?
Yeah!
Drum roll, please. That was an off drum. I don't know what that was supposed to be. But okay. So we got not regular, but mint chocolate Oreos. And then the new one, white tipped Oreos. So we're gonna, as usual, we're gonna taste these ones first. The chocolate.
So I'll be tasting the white chocolate first, so when you eat
Yeah.
the black chocolate, your mouth smells better.
These are super small. These are cute. These feel like dolls. I think I'll give these to dolls. Alright. So, it's super small.
I'm not eating this one yet.
Oh my god, you opened yours like me. They're super small.
What do they look like inside?
They have green mint in it. Alright, the whole top cookie had all the green mint. So, I ate all the green mint, but the mint is really strong. You can't, wait, you can't taste no Oreo. It's just chocolate and mint. So it tastes like a chocolate candy. So those are good. I'll give those a thumbs up. They ripped. I can't open it. There we go. Oh man. Here. For you. You. One for you. Watch your head, Ziggy.
They've got more chocolate in the middle.
They do not have white. That's cream. And one for me. Ah, I got a double one. Alright, so these are good. They taste good. They taste the same, just with no mint. And white chocolate, it doesn't taste like white chocolate. So I'll give these in the middle.
Thumbs down.
I'll give those a middle. And the chocolate one. Ziggy, which chocolate one? These, the white chocolate, or the dark chocolate? Or the regular chocolate?
Two.
Both of them? So see, which one do you think won? The
raisins.
Of course. Taji,
Guys,
this one or
guys.
this one?
These.
No, I'm talking about these.
Yeah. Chocolate one.
Okay, yeah, I'll say the chocolate one won.
White chocolate, you're kicked out the house.
Okay. So comment down below which one you'd rather eat. So see, are they good?
Guys, guess what? Don't eat all the nuts or you can't get food.
Yes, good advice.
Good advice. Good advice.
So that's the end of the challenge.
So make sure you like,
Subscribe, and hit the little bell.
ding ding